it's a pretty impressive operation, y'all. And I've seen a lot of construction companies. I mean, we talked about the insidious nature of smoke. You suffer a fire, the clothes hanging in your closet, the lazy boy chair that's upholstered, the mattress, all of that is now, I want to call it confiscated by Jim Kowalski. And y'all have the resources to take all of that.
All the contents, we do our own textiles, everything.
You do all of the smoke eradication through all of that a homeowner may not even think needs to be done.
Correct. Yeah, and sometimes from the visible, you look at it and it doesn't look damaged, and we can show where it has smoke residue on it that needs to be removed and remediated. And so if you don't have the trained eye to know what to look for, then oftentimes you end up shortchanging the job, which creates problems later because that smoke smell is going to come back.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.